What's up? What's up, guys? It's me, obviously, and I'm actually not moving my room around today. I'm just decorating it more / cleaning it because it is intensely disgusting. So basically what I'm going to be doing in this video is cleaning my room, take down every single one of my posters and put up posters in different spots, and I got the leaves that everybody has on like TikTok and stuff, and I got another tapestry, and I got a neon sign, and then I got another sign. It's like a Halloween one. Drinking coffee. It's been a minute since I've uploaded. School's starting. It was my birthday month. It's just a lot going on, but September will be good. September will be good. I'm probably gonna watch. No, I don't want to cry on camera because it's the last few episodes. Literally, I'm on the second to last episode of The Office. Watch the Great British Baking Show. That's chill. Yeah, okay. That's what we're gonna do. Okay, so this is my room right now. It's closed, like usual. Oh, I got new bedding for my birthday. Well, it's not bedding per se. This is a duvet, and I have a blanket inside of it. It's really nice, really good quality. Okay, so we're gonna put all of my clothes in the basket because I'm not putting them away right this very second. But I will, Mom, I will put them away. I just need to get them out of the way. It. Ta-da. So if your strict parents don't let you get one, order a fake one. It literally just sits there. So we're gonna take everything down. Let's hope I can reach everything because I do need a ladder for these. I'm thinking of I'm not sure what I'm gonna do yet. Okay, I'm gonna go get the ladder right now so that I don't have to get it again. Okay, so I know I definitely want to put my leaves right here, so I'm gonna do that now. Okay. These are really good scissors. I love these scissors. Oh, that was super easy. The judges on this show are so brutal sometimes, especially since they're first starting out. They're like, I'm starting a new season. Okay, so it doesn't look that bad. I'm gonna put the bat neon sign right here and the witch thingy, which I'll show you right now. I got this at Target today in the $3 section. It's just like cute Halloween. Obviously I'll have it up year round. It's kind of crooked. Okay, so I'm gonna put the Halloween one right here because it just, I feel as though it needs to be there. Hello? Oh, I grabbed both. Oh no. No. Crap. Got hit in the face by my fan. Yay! Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. So I just took a 20-minute break because my thumb was killing me, my back was killing me. Now I'm a little tired, but I just drank a little more coffee. I could put my pride flag on my ceiling. I'm gonna put my pride flag above my bed. How am I gonna reach that? We'll see. Bumba, you smell. You smell. I can smell you through the wall. I can smell you through the wall.
Yeah. And then he was like, come here, need you help? And I was like,
I said, no. I literally said I could smell you through the wall. It's on camera.
no, before that you said,
I said was I can smell you through the wall. It's on camera.
Dude, you said, come help.
I literally,
Like, something help, okay?
I literally said I can smell you through the wall.
Yeah, you
Both
said
times.
that after you said.
Both times. I never said I needed your help. Do you want to watch it? Because I literally didn't say that. Okay, so I'm gonna put, why?
Give me a second. You'll see.
Okay, so I'm gonna put this right there on top of my alarm system.
Who is this?
Wow.
Yeah.
But you put it the wrong way, imagine.
I did. You can. Rips it off.
You didn't put it Short people problems. If I was, you know, like a normal height.
This will
Okay,
be such a
this
problem.
will be good. Just hold it, because I will fall forward.
Trash. Need a vacuum, but I'll vacuum tomorrow because it's too late. So yeah, I'm gonna clean up my room.
Okay, so I'm just gonna make this my outro. First of all, I want to show you guys the kitties. Bean had her kitties like I said she would. She had her babies somewhere else, but she moved them over here. So she's in my closet. Kitties. So that's my room. I love it. I really do. The only thing is I need to clean my closet, but that's gonna be a totally separate video because my closet is rough. I love it and it looks really good, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.